Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make a wedding registry on Amazon. First, open your web browser and search for Amazon Wedding Registry in the search bar. Once you arrive at the wedding registry page, click on Create Your Registry. Fill in the basic information about your wedding registry, including details about you, your partner, and your wedding date. Make sure to complete all required fields to ensure your registry is properly set up. Once done, click on Create Registry. Congratulations! You now have your wedding registry. Next, start adding items. Browse Amazon as you normally would and search for products you anticipate needing for your home or wedding. When you find an item you want, click the Add to Wedding Registry button on the product page. This allows you to compile all desired items across Amazon's inventory onto your registry. Finally, to share your registry, go to your registry settings. You'll find options to generate a shareable link or share it directly through social media. This lets family and friends know exactly what items you need. And there you have it. You've successfully created and populated your Amazon wedding registry and are ready to share it with your loved ones. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative videos.